Notepad++ update system hacked, a 6-month supply chain attack explained. One of the world's most trusted Windows tools has just been at the center of a serious cybersecurity incident, and it went unnoticed for half a year. Notepad++, the widely used open-source text editor with millions of users, has confirmed that its automatic update system was compromised in a sophisticated supply chain attack that lasted roughly 6 months. This wasn't a bug in the software. It wasn't malicious code hidden in the source. It was something far more dangerous. What actually happened? Attackers managed to breach the infrastructure responsible for Notepad++ updates, specifically the system that tells your computer where to download the next version. When users clicked Update, some of them were silently redirected to malicious installers, believing they were installing a legitimate new release. That's the core danger of a supply chain attack. The software is trusted, the update process looks normal. Security software often sees nothing suspicious, and the user never realizes what went wrong. Why this attack is especially serious? This was not a mass infection campaign. According to investigators, the attackers were highly selective. Only specific users were targeted. The malicious updates were delivered conditionally. Most users never saw anything unusual. This level of precision strongly suggests a state-sponsored or advanced persistent threat, not common cybercrime. In other words, this wasn't about stealing passwords at scale. It was about strategic access. How long did it go undetected? The compromise is believed to have started around June 2025 and continued until early December 2025. That's 6 months of trusted software, silent delivery, and potential long-term access to victim systems. The attack was only uncovered after security researchers noticed anomalous behavior in update traffic, prompting a deeper investigation. What was the malware capable of? The malicious installer deployed a custom backdoor, not off-the-shelf malware. Capabilities reportedly included persistent system access, remote command execution, system reconnaissance, and follow-up payload delivery. This wasn't ransomware. This was espionage-grade tooling. Notepad++ response and fix. To their credit, the Notepad++ development team acted quickly once the breach was confirmed. Key changes include mandatory digital signature verification for updates, infrastructure migration and credential rotation, release of Notepad++ version 8.8.9, which closes the attack vector. In simple terms, if an update isn't cryptographically verified, it won't install, no exceptions. Who should be concerned? If you used Notepad++, enabled automatic updates, ran versions prior to 8.8.9, updated between June and December 2025, you should upgrade immediately and consider a security audit. Users who manually downloaded installers from official sources were largely unaffected. This incident highlights a growing reality in cybersecurity. The weakest link is no longer the software, it's the delivery system. Even open-source, transparent, community-driven projects are vulnerable if their update infrastructure is compromised. We've seen this pattern before: SolarWinds, CC Cleaner, XZ Utils, and now Notepad++. Supply chain attacks are becoming the weapon of choice for advanced threat actors. This wasn't a failure of open source. It wasn't careless development. It was a reminder that trust is the most valuable attack surface in modern computing. If attackers can control updates, they don't need exploits. They get invited in. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in tech and AI tools. Stay ahead, stay creative, and join the Tech Tide community today.